bauma, everyone. We are here on day one, and of course we are talking to Caterpillar, and we are going to be talking with Dustin Childers, who is going to tell us kind of everything that they have here in a brief snapshot. And Dustin, thanks so much for talking with us
Appreciate
today.
It. Thanks for letting me.
So what are your three main focuses here at bauma for Caterpillar?
The three main focuses we have is really around powering today. We understand that sustainability is a journey, energy transition is a journey for many of our customers, and so we're here to talk about that. Extending lifecycle services, incredibly important in ensuring sustainability as well on the job site, and then of course driving tomorrow. So we'll talk about some of our advanced power technology that we have on display.
That's fantastic. Let's take a minute and talk about some of the specific items then.
What we have here on display is just a demonstration of the variety and the range of engines that we have to offer. So we've got our 7.1 liter engine, we've also got our C13B, our 9.3B, and our C18 liter engine. I think one of the things that's really unique for us, and one of the things we want to talk to our customers about, is that these engines are all HVO compatible. So we are having a focus on making sure that our engines, our new technologies, be able to run on sustainable fuels, more sustainable fuels, low carbon intensity fuels. So not only do they run on diesel, but they also run on biodiesel and HVO as well. And we've been working on those different technologies for over a decade. So even going back to the Tier 4 final, Stage 4 engines, now up to the Stage 5 engines, all can be run on HVO as well.
Great, and you're also talking about, with folks here at this time, about remanufacturing and rebuilding of the engines, correct?
And that's a really incredible point when we think about extending lifecycle services and reaching sustainability goals on the job site. We know that we have a lot of opportunity to take what's already in the field and make sure that those engines continue to extend and operate the way that they were designed to operate in. And so we'll be talking to our customers a little bit more about what we are doing on the reman and rebuild side.
While you are here with the technology you're discussing, do you think there's one item that might be the talk of bauma?
Well, we hope that all of our items are the talk of bauma, but yeah, of course, we recently announced the CAT battery power system that we have. And so that's what we have on display here, which is a 600-volt battery pack system that's designed specifically for the off-highway market. And so yeah, we're really excited to be able to talk to customers about that and demonstrate some of the investments we're making on the off-highway advanced power side.
Of course, being off-highway focused, we're super excited about that as well.
Excellent.
So is there anything we haven't talked about that you can think of that, people visiting the booth or people here at the show should come by and talk to you about?
Our big focus is really meeting customers where they're at. And so we know, again, that energy transition journey is different for each customer, different applications, and different by region. And so we're really excited to be able to engage with customers on that journey with them, understand what their technology needs are, what they're trying to accomplish from a sustainability standpoint, productivity standpoint. And so really the focus is really understanding what their wants and needs are, meeting them where they are with that technology, talking about our diesel, talking about low carbon intensity fuels, talking about, of course, advanced power. But then there's also the connectivity aspect of understanding how are your machines operating in the field. And a big part of that is making sure that you have connected assets in the field and be able to help customers support them in optimizing their operations.
Well, thank you again, Dustin, so much for talking with us today, and I hope you have a good day one.
Thanks, Laura.